This is Jennifer Gonzalez welcoming you to episode 128 of the Cult of Pedagogy podcast. In this episode, we are going to talk about what to do when you say something to students or an audience, and in return, you get nothing but crickets. The fourth suggestion is have everyone write down a response first. When you ask a group a question, usually only one or two people will respond. This robs everyone else of the opportunity to answer. If this happens over and over again in the same group, many participants won't even think about their own response because they'll know one of the more talkative people is going to answer anyway. One way to solve this problem is to have everyone write down a response to the question first. Then you call on a few people to share what they wrote. This way, even if the room only hears a few responses, everyone actually reflected on and answered the question. And when you give everyone time to process in this way, you're more likely to get more and different volunteers than if you just ask the room cold. That's because some people need more processing time before they feel confident enough to share their thoughts. In their book, Total Participation Techniques, Persida and William Himmeley tackle this problem with dozens of strategies like this one that get every person in the room participating. And I've got a link to that book over on the website. The fifth suggestion for getting more participation is use think, pair, share. Instead of having everyone write an answer, you could instead just have them turn to a partner and respond to them. And this is what we call think, pair, share. Because they think of their answer, they turn to a partner in a pair, and then they share their answer with them. This technique is useful for meaty, content-heavy questions where participants are processing something they've learned, or just your basic conversational ones. So try it. The next time you're about to say, hey, how's everyone doing, to a large group, instead, try telling them to turn to a partner and answer that same question.